Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn regular expression. Regular expression for text manipulation in Python. Text manipulation is core part of many real-world Python applications, from validating user input and cleaning data. One of the most powerful tools Python offers for advanced text processing is regular expression, and it is commonly known as regex. In this video, you will learn what regular expression are and why they are important and how to use them effectively in Python with practical examples. What are regular expression? A regular expression, or simply regex, is a sequence of characters that defines a search pattern. These patterns are used to find specific text, replace text, extract data, validate formats, email, phone number and password, etc. Python provides regex support through the built-in RE module. Why use regular expression in Python? Regular expressions allow you to search complex pattern in text. So this is used for text search. Why use regular expression in Python? Regular expressions allow you to search complex pattern in text, clean and normalize data, validate user input, extract structured data from the unstructured text and reduce multiple line of logic into single expression. Without regex, many of these tasks would require long and error-prone string operations. To use regex, we have to import the RE module. So it is import RE. Let me show you an example. So basically you have to import RE. And text is Python is awesome, and we are searching Python, so it displayed the Python here. So you need to import the RE class, then use the different methods provided by RE to search the text into a list of text. Common regex functions in Python. RE.search, so this is find the first match. RE.match, each matches at the beginning of the string. RE.findAll returns all matches. RE.find iter returns match objects, and RE.sub replaces matched text. RE.split, it splits the string by pattern, and RE.compile compiles the regex for reuse. So this is so regex provides so many methods that we can use in a program, and basic example is re-import, basic example that I showed you. Next we will see how we can use the dot. So dot is matches any character. So it is written Python dot thon, and it is searching into the Python. So it is returning the matches Python and p dot thon, and let's see how what all it matches. It matched the Python. So it matched any of the characters. So if we specify the characters in the square bracket, it will match each word against the text. So it found U, A, I, O in this education. Now I will show you the patterns. If we use slash d, it is going to match digit from 0 to 9. Slash d, it is going to match non-digit. W is for word character, and capital W is non-word character. S is white space, and capital is non-white space. So this is one of the example. Let's try it. So regular expression can be used in a lot of way. Irregular expression are essential skills for Python developer working with text. While they may seem intimidating at first, mastering AX can dramatically simplify your code and make your application more powerful. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.